Hi. So we had a teacher who was trying to do the grade pass back and had some assignments that would not sync back from our Canvas to Synergy. When I clicked on grade sync and then clicked the warning and errors, I could see some hints. There was an error code 400, and in it it says no grading period found. And that says to me the assignment due date does not fall in the correct grading period. So let's figure out how a due date affects the grade passback and how to fix it. So let's look at the calendar real quick. If the end of the quarter is on a Friday, in Canvas, our system is set up, and also in Synergy, that this is the end of the quarter. That means that a due date of the Saturday or Sunday or Monday after, with the Monday being the grade prep day, would not be valid due dates. These dates of Saturday, Sunday, Monday would be kind of like non-existent dates in our systems. So if the due date falls on any of those days, it will not be a successful passback for those assignments. Now, how does a teacher fix this situation? If you click on assignments and then click on the kebab on the top right corner and click on edit assignment dates, you will get all of your assignments in due date chronological order. So if I'm going to just scroll to the bottom and I'm going to find some culprit assignment dates, which we have here, April 15th, which was the grade prep day. This is not a valid due date for us. So it's very easy to change the date to the last day of the quarter or a day before that at this point, and scroll up and save. That was the due date. The availability date can be after the due date, but you probably don't want to allow it to be all weekend and continue receiving submissions if you're trying to do grades. That is totally up to you. But the due date is not flexible. The due date is telling Canvas what quarter to fall in, and the due date talks back with Synergy. That's it. You click save and then try the grade pass back again, and it should work. Good luck.